This door is binding in the opening, and the reason is that the hinge screws have become loose. You look at this, you notice it's completely stripped. There's no way to tighten that up. So what I'm going to do is remove it and fix it by filling that hole. Just get some cable ties, sometimes they're called zip ties. You just take one and snip off the end. The shaft of it has ridges, and you need those ridges for the screw to bite into. So you snip off the end, which doesn't have any. I'm going to take it and set it in the hole. You want to push it in until it just about bottoms out, right about there. And then we're going to snip it off and slip it in there. There you go. Press that all the way in. Perfect. What that little piece of cable tie does is it not only fills the hole, but it gives the screw something to bite into. I can feel there's a lot of resistance on it already. You just crank it down. There you go. Nice and tight.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tight Bond, the pro's advantage.